The nuLOOM Rigo hand-woven Farmhouse Jute accent rug is versatile and durable. The rug is offered in 6 color options with sizes ranging from 2 feet by 3 feet to 12 feet by 18 feet, as well as oval, square, and rectangular shapes. It can be used alone or as a base for a complementary rug. Each rug is made from 100% jute and varies slightly in shape and color. The rugs are hand-woven and braided in India using renewable fibers. Because the rugs are handcrafted, each one is subtly different, giving them more individuality than machine-made products. Care for this handcrafted rug looks different than it would for a machine-made product. The rug should be vacuumed regularly using the suction-only attachment. In the event of a mild stain, gently blot with a clean white cloth. Loose fibers may break and gather underneath the rug, so it's important to clean under the rug as well. The nuLOOM Rigo hand-woven Farmhouse Jute accent rug is a simple way to add a finishing touch to your living room, dining room, kitchen, or hallway. With its easy cleaning and numerous color, shape, and size options, this nuLOOM accent rug can be used in a variety of spaces.